Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, what do I mean when I say live? I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing information, seeing the data for the very first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So to respect your time, if you are looking for a video where the person's got hindsight in their favor and they're doing a trade recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted nitty-gritty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So I will pause the recording shop for now, and I'll be back at market open. All right, going to look for a call here at 55. Looking to do options. So I'm at 55. All right, I'll pause for now. All right, going to go for a call here at 54.50. That was weird. Would have thought I would have gotten filled there. If you scroll back and look right here, you would have seen me on the best bid. You would have seen 54.50 just sitting there, but didn't get filled. And I am doing options. If you don't know what I mean by that, let me know in the comment section. Just put guide or option guide, and I will link you to a free class I put together called The Big Basics of Options, and I'll walk you through terminology, how all this stuff is working. Options do kind of have sometimes a reputation of being very complicated and kind of advanced, and they can be made that way, don't get me wrong, but they don't have to be made that way. And that is I approach them in more of a simple way. So if that's how you like to approach things too, then I'm confident you'll get some value out of that guide. So like I said, just put option guide and I will link you to it. So I will pause for now. All right, gonna go for a put here at 22.50. So put at 22.50. Price needs to come up a bit more. I will pause for now. Okay, close to maybe getting filled here at 22.50. I'm going to go ahead and change strike price. When I say that, if you have no idea what I mean, like I said, just let me know in the comment section. I will pause. All right, going to try for a put here at 49. Oh, struggled today. Again, I'm watching this number down here. Want to see it go down to 49, and then ideally want to see that white number turn to green. See if it wants to try again. I will pause for the time being. Have an order for a put here at 48.50. We'll see if it can come up just a bit more. I will pause. I'd rather, okay. I'm going to keep it going. Again, watch that number down there, 48.50. I'm on best bid. All right, I think we could maybe even try to get a little bit better. Let's try 48.20 instead. I will pause. Well, and that's the tricky thing about trading. Think about it. I was right. I wanted to get a put because I thought this thing would go down, and the price is going down, but I'm not making any money from it. Trading, yeah, you can sit there and say, oh, I think that's going to happen. That's going to happen. Oh, it did what I thought. See, I would have made money. Well, not necessarily, because first you got to get filled, and I have not gotten filled on that one. So yes, I was right, broadly speaking, but broadly speaking in trading is not good enough, but I'll keep an eye on it. Have an order at 46.50 here for a call. I promise it was actually closer than what it is right now. We'll see if it wants to go back down there, but all right, I'll pause. Okay, I have an order at 45.70 here. In at 45.70. for a call. And out for $50. Just want to get my feet wet a little bit. Although I will say that took a little bit longer than what I thought. Now, granted, I know that was less than like a 20-second trade, but still, I thought that was a pretty solid entry point. So I thought it'd be one of these, and this will mean a little bit more to those that have watched past videos, but you've seen me get in and out of some of these trades very, very quickly. Whoa, whoa. Pretty big move there all of a sudden. Let's try 43.50. Actually, no, we're pretty close to 10 o'clock, and sometimes things at 10 o'clock can get a little bit jumpy, so I'm just going to let that time pass. So I will pause. Well, that's why I wanted to wait till 10 o'clock. Things really opened up here. Big move down. So I am still interested. It needs to come down here more to that blue line. But yeah, quite the big pullback here. I will pause. Want to give a little bit of an update there. To always just keep an eye at 10 o'clock. Sometimes there's news, but sometimes just the algorithms all of a sudden decide to start to do stuff. And I don't know if there was news or not. I wasn't aware. I looked at the economic calendar and there wasn't anything. But yeah, if this wants to pull back some more, I'd be interested. I will pause. Have an order at 49.50 here. For a put. Might have missed it though. I'll give it another opportunity. Actually, let's go to 49 now. All right, I'll pause. Well, I'll keep it going. It's getting pretty jumpy here. In at 49. Out for $50 there. Now, that's the one I was looking for in the first time. That one lasted, if you blinked, you missed it. Lasted all of, I don't know, 2 seconds, 1001, 1002. Yeah, definitely was like a 2-second trade there. So I will try again if it wants to come up some more, but very good. All right, I'll pause. All right, going for a call here at 47.50. I want to see if it wants to drop down. In at 47.50. Can call at 47.50. Getting very jumpy. So it just took $30 on that one. Wasn't quite as good of an effort. Okay, in hindsight, would have been perfectly fine, but that is hindsight. And really, that wasn't the best, and I'll tell you exactly why I missed it. Let me bring over the 5-minute and check out that purple line right there. Purple line is where I should have aimed more so, and I'm not talking in hindsight. That's just, and this is nothing fancy. That's just a moving average. So it should have been more towards that area, which would have put my entry point right around 47-ish. Maybe slightly below 47, and that would have been such a better entry point. Not that my entry point was bad. That's why I didn't jump out or take a loss or anything like that, because it's not like it was a terrible entry point. But yeah, I did miss that on the 5-minute until it was too late. So yeah, multiple time frame analysis is important, but you also got to remember to look at the multiple time frames. You know, a fine trade, but not nearly as good as what it could have been had I gotten and paid attention more to that 5-minute. But it is what it is at this point. So didn't get my $50, just got a $30 move. Okay, I have an order at 46.50 here for a call. Got close, but not quite close enough. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 47 here for a call. It needs to come down A little bit more. Again, as a reminder, I'm watching that number over there. All right, I'll pause. Adjusted my order down to 45. So looking for a bigger flush, but I'll keep an eye on it. Have an order at 27 here, in at 27 for a call. Out for a very, very fast $50 once again. Very good. I'm now going to try again at 26.50. So we'll see if it wants to drop down there. I will pause. All right, going to go for actually 47. Let's try that. Put here at, I'm hesitating around too much, 47. There we go. All right, canceling that out. I don't like how it's just pausing there. This is starting to feel too much like a 50-50 at this point. So I'm gonna err on the side of caution, because worst case, I don't get filled, nothing happens. Oh well, I'm still up 180 bucks. I'll pause. All right, I'm actually going to go ahead and wrap things up very quickly here. So before my power goes out, the trees are absolutely swaying here in Michigan outside my office. So it seems like one of those situations where the power could go out anytime. I don't want to lose the recording. So that's all I have. I'm probably done trading too, because I don't want to get caught in a power outage. So closing up, 180, would have liked to have been up over 200, but it is what it is. So captured 4 trades. All of them worked out except that one. So happy with how things went, and would like to continue to trade, continue to record. Like I said, my instincts tell me that the way the trees are swaying out there, there's a very real chance, like I said, I could lose power. So that is all I have for you. Everybody, thanks for watching. If you enjoy these live trade videos, let me know down below. Hit the like button, leave a comment, say thanks. Tell me what you traded today. But that feedback definitely goes a long way. So everybody have a good one. Thanks for hanging out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.